How to print shipping label on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will be learning how you can print shipping label on Etsy. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, this is how the home page looks like. Once you're on this page, you would see your recently viewed items, and by the time you scroll down, you would see categories, different categories where you can get items from. And then once you can see all of this, the next step is to go ahead and navigate through to your shop manager. The shop manager is located by the top right side of the screen before updates and after, in between updates and your account. And then once you've seen this, click on it. Once you click on shop manager, you will brought to your shop interface. Note that this is not how your shop interface looks like. The reason why mine is like this is because I have not finished updating or creating my shop. And then once you can see this by the left side of the screen, you'll see some options. All right, once you see this option, just go ahead and choose orders and shipping. And then after choosing orders and shipping, you'll be redirected to another page where you can see your orders. So once you can see this, select the order for the shipping label you want to reprint. All right, after selecting this, another box of options will be displayed. In this box, select download shipping label, and then just like that, that particular shipping label would be downloaded. And then once it's downloaded, you can now go ahead and print it to any through any means of your choice. So this is how you can print shipping label on Etsy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.